Can we see other people's best friend list on Snapchat? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see other people's best friend on Snapchat. So let's find out if that's possible. First thing you will need to do is open up your Snapchat. After you open up your Snapchat, you can head over to your profile. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see the list of your friends. Now your best friends will get included in this one. So whenever you tap on the name, you will see the list of your best friends ranked. So what you can do to see other people's best friend, or if it is possible or not by going to their profile, is by simply going to their profile. So whenever you head over to their profile, you will see that you will find your friends profile, and then you will not find any list of his friends. So you can tap that person or another another people that is in your best friends list. So here you can see that there is no person or there is no list of best friends on their profile. So all you can do is you can see best friends in your own profile, but not in someone else's profile. So I hope this answers your question, guys, that you cannot see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.